We are here in Manila Town Center, Cebu City, dining at Curate. Recently acclaimed as a Michelin Bib Gourmand 2026 awardee. And today is special not just because of the food, because I am with Powerhouse Company. BPO stalwart Meg Mascardo, CEO of Whore Beauty Empire, Sharina Villamor, CEO of Jess Luxuries and Jess Beauty Salon and Spa, Beauty Queen Jess Labares, Miss Actua and viral sensation Christian Ceniza, the funniest, most inspiring love team, Mr. and Miss TDH, and Mr. Gay World finalist animal advocate Kevin Garcia. Different industries, different advocacies, but today, one table. We started with their dragon fruit kinilaw, a bold reinvention of our Filipino favorite, elevated with scallops and shrimp. It's delicate, refreshing, but confident. The chicken skin with salted egg twist, dangerous in the best way. The pork sisig, unapologetically Filipino. Salt and pepper squid, it's like Vietnamese madness on a plate. Cambodian chicken curry, visually stunning. Flavor unlike anything we've tried. Twice cooked pork belly, rich and unforgettable. And there's salmon soba. And suddenly, you're transported to Japan. But the undeniable star, the Penang Tomahawk pork chop. Herb forward, perfect cut, commanding presence. It doesn't just sit on the table, it owns it. What makes a lunch memorable isn't just technique, it's energy, it's conversation, it's laughter echoing across a table filled with beautifully curated plates. That's the best chicken skin in town. It has
Turmeric.
not only that, I think it has turmeric, it also has egg, what is called that? Salted egg.
Yeah, very famous in Asia. Salted egg. Oh my god.
Diba?
Very crispy.
And it's very good.
Very yummy. Hi.
Hello. Shoulder pads.
Remove the
Shoulder pads is totally coated.
Shoulder pads. Yung shoulder pads. Built-in.
Hi! Hi! Dali, join us!
I'm so happy po. It's an honor po nga makaubanin niyo karon.
For question of me, what is Michelin yun?
Michelin is a brand of attire.
Sakto lagi.
Michelin nga ligid. And then they're a French brand, di ba? And French love food. And so how will they ever sell the wheel? Kaya ang ligid nila, sa una Paris naman ang nailigid. Paris naman ang kanang naay roads nga makagamit sa ilang cars and everything. So how do they sell it now? What they did is that they awarded Michelin brand stars to restaurants far away from Paris.
Para na recall sa brand.
They give it to Italy. And para ang mga taga-Paris nga na auto mo travel going to Italy because it's a Michelin star. And so mahilis ilang ligid. So they have to buy again to Michelin the wheels. That's actually a marketing
Secondly,
So it's not really food.
It's not really food, it was really to sell their wheel. But then again, it became such a big thing na managay kay Michelin Award, you're a very good restaurant. And so, nahimula po siya og another revenue making for the Michelin brand.
So there's no tires anymore.
Nagyapon. They still are making the tires. So, making a Michelin star, a 1 star, it means it's worth the wait. So, maghuwat ka ng taas ka ng linya. Michelin 2, it's worth the detour. So, for example, you go to Italy, and then, muliko sa pumali sa Germany, kay mukaon ko, aning ang Michelin. So, muliko ka. Pero Michelin 3-star na nalika, it's worth the travel. Imo ginang iluparon. Kaya remember, ang aeroplano Michelin yan, importante yung nakikita.
Apipil ako si Michelin kay Ikago ni Casper the Perligo.
No.
Para pala sa mag-beauty.
So they choose the best restaurants in the world. So in the Philippines, I think in Southeast Asia, Usaray 3-star. It's only in Thailand.
Wow.
3.
Worth
And
the travel.
usually 3 stars, 1 year in reservation.
What?
So mo ka nga to, magka-reserve ka karon ba? So, yeah.
So you need to suspend your craving
Yes.
till next year.
Kami nakatumig Rome ni Marco. One good. I reserved 8 months. And then, nakuha siya kong isang good for 2. It was good. In fairness naman, it was a 15-course meal. And then, kaya ko sa'yo ba, di ka maanad ng 15-course meal ba? Busog na kayo ka na pa sa'yo. My favorite tomboy in the world.
Ang pambansang tomboy.
Palitan na ko, Will.
Si, great sa din lang ito yung mayong word to. Palit sa daw before ka malingkod.
But you're not partners in real life.
We're working on it.
Kasi na kuya.
Wala, not official pa po.
Pero kapo na.
Michelle, Mary Ann is my real name. My mother's born me that name.
Mary Ann yung real name.
Mary Ann.
Oh, Mary Ann.
Pero maroon, Hans. Andrea, Ans, this is Meg.
Kaila kong
Jess
masyali.
Labar.
And also,
Si Sharina.
Michelle Persimmon. Attorney.
mga beauty queens. They are all
Si Christian, kailangan Christian na. Si Marco is my partner.
Yeah, Sir
Si
Marco.
Kevin, Mr. Game Universe po di siya. Mr. Gay Universe, Mr. Gay World, sorry.
ang kon sa mga attorney ba sa content creator guys.
Perception, ganda nga sa kwarta.
Yes.
No, it's not. And then, kabalo mo, kapoy ba yan?
Kasi drain siya kayo siya.
My
Kapoy,
brain is
especially maghuna-huna ka po sa sunod. Every day is a struggle for content creation.
Labi na ang imong gi-upload is ni-hit siya. So, pag na ko may kung mas labon pa siya.
Because you are only as good as your last success. That's how it is. In everything that we do, di ba? But sa content creators, mas grabe siya kay everyday man siya. No, di ba? Good sa inyo kay monthly. Di ba? You're only as good as your last performance, weekly performance. Kanig yung content is everyday. Kailangan mo tanaw siya magsaka. Muna, di lang kita magsaling sa don't live your life online. Bashing, gibash ka mo. Wala na ka gibash.
Pabash na
Pwede ka gi-boss nga dako kang tutoy.
Kira.
Si Jess Paldo po siya gahapon.
Asa.
Anong ibang hatag sa
Nahalinan kay bag gahapon. Red call.
Ako hindi na kayo mga content. Late na ma-upload.
Ah, okay. So, marag mo lang i-schedule, no?
Yeah.
Schedule.
Depende na sa gigit sa pag-edit. Wala kina ang struggle.
Kapoy, no?
Editing.
Kapoy ko, you super attorney. Ang pag-edit siya lang, pinakakapoy.
Uy, but we'll sing happy birthday to Marco.
So today, ang birthday attorney.
No, his birthday is February 29.
29 minutes mo.
Ay, 10 years.
Asong mga like,
Like 10 years, di ba?
Every 4 years, ay ko na 10 years.
Hindi pa edad
Ang masilingan kay Sibin Pated.
He's still 9 years. He's 9 years old.
I know how to speak my English. But you speak English, may I not understand.
Can you sing a happy birthday to Sir Marco? Nababoy man ka dilo.
Happy birthday, Sir Mark. Happy birthday, Sir Mark. Sir, for your birthday now, I wish you a good day and happy birthday. Hindi lang sige go mas lagi ang dito.
Actually. Ako to ka.
Ay!
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
birthday, Sir
Make a wish,
Marco.
Okay.
Yay!
I realized na may pumpkin.
Love you, Hans.
Thank you, attorney. God bless.
God bless you too.
Kailang fine attorney is one of the mostly mo PM na mo kay mo promote ba daw ni Usugal. So attorney kanang pwede ko mga
Usugal.
yes, POV nimo about it ng
For online gambling.
Yes.
Okay. Ako, I've been, asked to also promote gambling, but I can't.
Yes,
Because I cannot also accept the fact that if one of my family members will be there, I don't know how to help them.
Exactly.
I don't know if I will help them or I don't know how to help them. Hey, lahi mong ng gambling, it's a decision. It's a conscious effort. Mura po nag-drugs. It's your decision to be into that. Same in any addiction. So para na ako,
dili siya angay.
daghan kay kong kaso na handle nga because of gambling, naguba ang friendship, naguba ang family, naguba ang business. So, ngano mo promote mo ko ana?
Exactly.
So to destroy people's lives to gain mine, I don't know if I have a life gained by destroying other people's.
Lang nito siya PO.
Ambot kag malipay ko sa revenues that I get by seeing other people lose theirs. Kaya of course, sa may bayad rin ako, of course, ang ilang loss. So, that would be unfair. So, if I have to gain something, I gain it from kindness and gained it from hard work, not from the loss of other people.
Yeah. Ang link wala sa comment section.
Wala sa link.
Dili ang link
Nasa
sa
police
photo
station.
ug nasa imong decision.
Ay, kami.
Yes.
I hope this will not be the last, ha?
Me too, attorney. Hopefully, kuan gid gihapon.
Oh, visit me News Pasig. Today wasn't about titles, not about CEOs, not about pageants, not about virality. It was about sharing space, sharing stories, sharing flavors that traveled across cultures but met right here in Cebu. Curate lives up to its name. Everything felt intentional. Curated not only the food but the experience. And when great food meets great company, that's not a review. We were creating a memory. Another day, another Regal POV.